here with Jennifer and Jeffrey, and I've been trying all day to get them to go to sleep. Right now, they're supposed to be bruminating, and bruminating is very similar to hibernating. Hibernating happens in chipmunks and deer mice and other mammals, but when we're talking about cold-blooded reptiles like my friends over here, we call it brumation. And so I've been trying to get them to do it all day because they're supposed to do it for 4 to 6 months, and they're really behind. You'd think on a rainy, gloomy day like this, it'd be easy to get them to go to sleep, but not one bit. I've tried lullabies, twinkle, twinkle, little star. I've tried bedtime stories.
Once upon a time, there were 2 tortoises, just like you guys.
I've tried implementing quiet hours.
You guys, it's time to go to sleep.
Shh, and nothing's doing the trick. And all this trying, all this trying is making me super tired. And so maybe I'll just take a nap with them.